Well, newsflash, I think I can still use this because this is less than the diameter of those two pipes that are over there. And I just opened it up and I was able to put my hand down in there, and I think I can turn it on and off without getting a longer one of these. Okay. Fortunately, those pipes are just wide enough so I can get my hand down in there. So I think that small one will work when I get ready to turn this water on to the sprinkler system. All right, I'm going to take you underneath the house. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I think I want to finish this video with you so that I can start working. You know, I could stay here, cut my Tyvek paper, and get the gravel and do all that and backfill this and all that, and then take you underneath the house. But I think I want to just get it over with, you know. And when I compact all this dirt, I'll first get the gravel, put that underneath there. Well, I'll cut this, wrap it around the pipe as best I can, you know, coming this way and that way, and then I'll put the gravel. Okay, then I could cut some more of this, and I could lay it right over the top of the pipe, you know, get the gravel down low and get it kind of sandwiched in there. Then put it over the top of the copper pipes, because there's a T. The main pipe is this way, and then it tees off. It's kind of hard to see it down there, but in any case, I could do that. And then before I backfill the actual dirt, you know, I'll end up doing that. And then as I come up, I'll have to compact this dirt the best I can around this pipe, and make sure the pipe's coming up as straight as it can, you know, and then just get all this dirt and backfill it all in there, and it'll be about flush with this dirt that's here. Okay, that's first and foremost. Before I even think about doing anything else, I want to get out of this hole. But before I do that, I'm going to get my extension cord, my construction light, and I'm gonna crawl underneath the house and get everything ready to show you underneath the house and what I have to do there too. Okay, stick around for more learning.